Alright, today we are going to do hood vinyl on the F150. Got this from American Trucks. I've done 3 of these. One on my 2010 F150. Like the look. Figured I'd throw it on this one. I got one in January and it was a sunny day and I was like, oh yeah, this will work. So I did it on my lunch break at work. Put it on here and made it about, and let it sit all day in the sun, mind you, but it was January. So about 5 miles down the road, the entire thing ripped off. Figured that would happen. Impatience, you know, whatever. So I bought another one. Now we're gonna do another one. So you're gonna wash the hood, clean it off real good, get a bottle of soapy water, got my squeegee, and got the graphic. So we will do it up. Make sure you soak it up. Doesn't matter if you get water on it, it's going to evaporate once it's on there. The worst thing you can do is not put enough soapy water on it. Because if it sticks to itself, not going to work. See if I can get this done before my kids come out and ask what the heck I'm doing. Make a bunch of noise. And just line it up. Use my hand, get the majority of the junk out of there. Soapy water. It's gonna move around a lot until you get some of that stuff out of there. Stuff meaning soapy water. You can use the squeegee here. I elect not to because a couple times I did it, it scratched the heck out of the vinyl and put little wispy marks in it. So, hey buddy.
Hi Daddy.
What's up? Hey. Hey. Shh. Amateur hour. Backyard modifications at its finest. I'm sure you all can relate. So get it where you want it. Work out the bubbles. Once you get most of it out, then you can pull out the squeegee. They say to put a cloth down and do it. I'm just going to be gentle. Slowly pushing all the bubbles and the water out. In these crazy times, pulled the camper out back. So we're backyard camping in the camper this evening. There were a couple crinkles in there, here and here. So hopefully when it dries out, it'll level out. We'll see. If it doesn't, then I might hit it with a heat gun a little bit. Let it dry for a bit, come back, check it out. Let that sit overnight. Looks pretty good. Don't really see any bubbles or anything like that. You can use a hair dryer just to kind of cure it on there a little bit. I'm going to use a heat gun at a low setting. You don't want to use the heat gun at a high setting because it could easily melt the vinyl and make a big mess. Medium setting, just kind of go around the edges there. If it's too hot to touch with your bare skin, you're making it too hot. And again, don't leave it in the same spot for a while because it will melt it. If you have a little overhang, you can just heat gun it, push it down. If that doesn't work, if it's not sticking, get your X-Acto out and just very gently trim that edge. But obviously you don't want to cut your paint. She is good to go.